what's up you guys? My name is Mayder Lor. This is called Where is the Hmong Love? Page and all I see is rage. Let me take the time to explain myself because afterwards I thought to myself, what the hell? This past weekend I took a trip to the Twin Cities just to hit up the Hmong New Year and to be with my family. It's supposed to be a time where we as Hmong people come together to celebrate our beautiful, beautiful Hmong culture. There was a Hmong man in a gray suit who went on a rant and blew off a whole entire band. Yes sir, I hope you do know that words, they do hurt. They will remember for the rest of their lives how disrespectful you were and the look in your eyes. You flipped out about your keyboard, you said that was 5Gs. Don't you remember that back then our ancestors were poor and they made music by blowing on wrong leaves? The situation could have been handled better with the equipment. You should have stayed off the mic, been a professional, and saved the embarrassment. Where's the Hmong Love? As I stood at the Hmong New Year talking to my friends, we noticed a flock of people who ran and fled. Security guards and cops went running. Thugs were kicking, punching, and people were stumbling. Violence and fighting at a Hmong New Year? Really? Do you not remember how many lives were taken during the Vietnam War just so that we can be free? Obviously not. You'd rather have your own people shot. Trust me, the thug or the gangster life is not the way. Get yourself together right now before it's too late. Again, where's the Hmong Love? North Carolina. Right before Mavu performs, someone from the audience throws a drink at her. As I watched the YouTube clip, I had to replay back and said, are you serious? If you've got problems or issues with her, why not be a better person and use your words? Let's turn the tables on you to see if you find it disturbing too. If a stranger threw a drink at your family, you'd be pissed and find it disrespectful too, wouldn't you agree? Artists struggle enough already as it is. You're just making them stronger by doing what you did. Again, where's the Hmong Love? Rewind back 10 plus years ago when I used to DJ, I'm telling you, things got out of hand and it was kind of crazy. No, I was never a thug or a gangster girl. I minded my own business and in my own little world. But 3 of my homies got stabbed during my whole DJ career. Made me want to quit spinning while they were being stitched in the ER. During those darkest nights, I thought to myself, what if they would have taken my life? But you know what? I couldn't stop. I had way too much love for hip-hop. Again, where's the Hmong Love? What I was hoping to see was Hmong Love, where we would come together and rise above. But instead, I'll repeat, instead, Hmong people want other Hmong people dead. You would think that through all the struggles that we Hmong people have gone through, that we would stick together. But again and again, some of us choose not to love each other like brothers and sisters. Thọ they kept on cú yên sa hệ tia, bé hải nền giờ xí lu, ta chỉ ôn nhà bé tôi nhỏ để chơi mi cả nó, mua tê từ, ở xe du thiên, ở tê nhà gì chính du, con nó cú chính cả xe li, I don't understand, really. Again, where is the Hmong Love? People are, and this is not how I want us to represent us by far. Through violence, no self-respect for yourself, your own Hmong people, your own Hmong culture. Enough is enough. I will not let my people suffer. I stand tall when I say Hmong Love. If we Hmong people do not continue to work together as a whole, our Hmong culture will diminish and we will have nothing